yesterday.
May ba tayong pa-music dyan, IT?
Later. Next morning. Moments later.
Sinugod mo ang ulan at ikaw ay nagkasakit. Hindi kasalanan ng ulan dahil ikaw ang sumugod na walang dalang payo. Hindi ito tungkol sa ulan.
Change of a round-trip ticket, a confirmed booking on the next available flight, and a monetary compensation amounting to 5,000 pesos each. Interested guests kindly approach us at boarding gate 25A.
12 seconds later.
Hi, I'm Mary. I'd like to thank you for flying with us, and I hope to see you in one of our future flights. For the meantime, sit back, relax, and have a great stay in Suriname.
Later.
Hello everyone, Sepco, welcome to Siam Airport, make sure you
Okay guys, nagpag-capture niyo ako again. And shoutouts. Bata itong voice ko. Wala na
A few minutes later.
Mad Monkeys muna tayo for today's video and tomorrow and the other day. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako naglalakad pero naglalakad ako. Naglalakad ako ng puntahan. Pero namimiss ko yung birthday stay sa Sidargo. So baka lakarin ko hanggang Sidargo. Wala akong punta. Pero yun. So sana magtayo ng iba pero namiss ko nga yung steak sa Sidargo. Okay, ito na.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
Brown out ulit. Naglalakad ako pabalik ng Mad Monkeys.
A few minutes later.
Shot. Thank you.
Twelve seconds later.
Before we get to the finals, we at Mad Monkey have a special announcement. Ladies and gentlemen of Mad Monkey, there's free shots at the bar! Let's go! Free shots at the bar! Free shots at the bar! Let's go! Free shots at the bar! Free shots at the bar! Let's go! Free shots at the bar!
Day 2.
Guys, good morning. Day 2 on Sargao. Kakagising, kakalimutan lang. Island family. Mga araw siya ngayon. So sana hindi siya ulanin katulad last time.
Eventually.
Picture, then the last is the secret coral garden. So, bago tayo pumunta sa secret coral garden, kailangan natin mag-rent ng snorkeling goggles. Kung sino gusto mag-rent, 200 lang po. You pay later after the tour.
Party life, like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party life, like it's 2012.
A few moments later. Eventually.
Beer never stops. Feeling ko may tama pa ako. Ano pala yun? Kasi galing ako, Monday pala nagiinom na kami. Tapos Friday, galing team building. Then diretso Siargao.
Later.
Beer never stops at Daco Island. The infamous Budal fight.
Picture, lahat.
More moments later.
Hi guys!
More moments later.
Ano ka kapal ang mukha mo?
Uy, kapal na mukha daw.
Ito yung problema kapag ano pa no, matagal pa. Maubos namin lahat ng Lunes. Ibang topic naman. Cars, ano may open mo cars?
5 minutes later.
Hey guys!
Ano picture tayo?
See you sa happiness! See you!
Hoy, i-video niya kay ang kita mo.
Ang hindi pumunta mamaya sa happiness, nakita dito.
Kung di mo tumuha, ipatukhang.
Inaabot sa oras eh. Diba may voting?
10 seconds later.
Tiramisu saka Snickers. Wala yung bestseller ng Oreo pero masarap yan kasi bestseller din naman itong dalawa. Oh. Balik tayo. So, magkikita kami later for the party at it's Sunday, so happy na siya. Well, sana magkinakita kami later. Time check. It's 3:45. Baka maglalakad-lakad muna ako, maghanap ako ng souvenirs. Tapos, ano kung tawag for? Patag. Pahinga muna natin. Sila ka sa naman. Ano baka pumunta akong Cloud9 for sunset. Tapos pahinga muna. Then, simulan ko na mag-inom sa Mad Monkey.
3 hours later. Later.
Sarado. Hanap ibang kakainan.
A sheer coincidence.
Kala ko kakain ako mag-isa tonight.
Just then. A few minutes later.
So time check. 1:45 on my last night here in Siargao. Tulog na tayo ng atol dito. Good night, guys. Good night.
6.5 hours later.
Astin. Naliligo na tayo.
Meanwhile. "12 seconds later."
Katapos ko lang mag-breakfast. Naisip ko saan ako pupunta. Kung magka-Cloud9 ako or babalik na ako ng Mad Monkeys. And yes, lalakad ulit ako sa initan. And ang init. Damn Siargao girls. Parang ayokong umuwi, pero kailangan kong umuwi. Pero it's nice being here again for the second time. Kasi it's my first time solo traveling with a plane. First time ko mag-solo travel ng airplane or by plane. Then, first time ko rin mag-stay with a hostel in bunk rooms or in dormitory type rooms. Ang dami mo talagang ma-realize and matututunan whenever you're traveling solo. You're away from work, you're away from your usual life, from everything. And it will always remind you of that thought na parang ayaw mo nang bumalik. Na like you were independent, you were alone, kaya mo lahat. Guys,
Mas gusto niya mag-birthday sa kasama yung ano niya.
nabibingi pa ako, so nasa Manila na ulit ako. Sa Makati na ako, kasama ko na naman sila. Yan. Bingi pa ako.
Welcome to my guys. Hi girls, welcome to my vlog.
Renovate yung cinema pero may gumagawa ngayon sa loob ng cinema.
Daily reminder, guys. Never allow people to treat you poorly just because you love them.